quickly talk you through this replication study investigating the effects of transcranial direct current stimulation TDCS over two brain regions, dorsolateral prefrontal cortex DLPFC and the posterior parietal cortex PPC, and how they affect visual working performance differently. A recent study by Wang and colleagues in 2019 found that anecdotal TDCS over the PPC but not over DLPFC selectively improved the visual working capacity but not precision. However, their study has some potential limitations. To conceptually replicate the result of Wang and colleagues' study and address the potential issues, we conducted a similar experiment with bigger sample size with 48 participants. We doubled the number of trial per set size condition. We had completed counterbalancing for stimulation condition, and we had an orientation prediction task using triangle stimuli instead of bars. In this within subject design, all 48 participants completed 3 sessions to receive 2 activity stimulation on DLPFC or PPC for 2 different sessions and 1 sham stimulation for another control session. The details of the TDCS setups are shown here, and orientation production tasks are just below it. We ran 2-week ANOVA with 2 within subject factors, stimulated region and the set size. So here are what we found. We did not observe any significant TDCS effects on both capacity and precision. Such absence of effects were favored with moderate Bayesian evidence. Particularly, in contrast with the one's most interesting finding that anecdotal PPC stimulation improved capacity compared to sham and DLPFC at set size 6, we actually obtained moderate evidence in favor of an absence instead of significance of PPC stimulation effects on capacity changes compared to sham, as you can see here. And we found strong evidence in favor of absent rather than significant capacity change compare PPC stimulation to DLPFC stimulation, as you can see here. So according to the pattern of our result, we did not replicate one finding. Instead, anecdotal PPC stimulation did not increase the capacity, challenging the reported anecdotal PPC TDCS effect on improving visual working capacity. A further exploratory analysis indicated that this could be due to that anecdotal TDCS over PPC induced more swap error at higher set size.